up on the bulletin, a Mega Times Now exclusive regarding the big story that we have been getting for you about the Assam eviction truth, which is finally out. Times Now spoken to the Assam Chief Minister regarding this. Listen in to what Hemanta Biswa Sarma has to say about the Times Now Mega exclusive.
In Dhemaji, you have said that the demography of Assam is going to be changed by 2050. You have a blueprint about it. Can you share us what you have?
Look, there are clear movement of people from one place to another place without any region. One can say they are landless, but we can prove that there are abundant land from the place from where they have started. We have seen in last decades or so that one after one constituency, very scientifically and deliberately, people shift from one place to another and change the demography of that constituency. As of now in Assam, there are intelligence input to prove that people are trying to change demography in Sipajar, in Barshala and in Lamding. People are coming from Lower Assam, encroaching forest land, enclosing agricultural land, enlisting their name in the new voter list, changing their name from the original constituency. So these are real threat to us, real threat to the people of Assam.
So was Dholpur also part of it, and who were these encroachers?
Look, in 1983, there were just 100 people who were settled in Dholpur. Today the population is 10,000, and out of that 10,000, 6,000 were not listed in the final list of National Register of Citizenship. So I do not want to name anybody, but these are deliberate design. People of India must see and must feel the pain of the people in Assam. It cannot be given a communal color. It is not a communal issue. It is not a Hindu-Muslim issue. It is an identity issue of people of Assam irrespective of the religion. So people of India must come down to Assam and see how the original people, indigenous people, irrespective of their religion, losing their culture, losing their language, losing their land rights, losing forest cover, losing the land of their monastery, everything.
Well, Times Now has done a ground zero report where they have got paper trails which proves that the land belonged to the Hindus and the Muslims encroached upon it.
Yesterday I have seen the entire Times Now debate. I must give a lot of gratitude on behalf of people of Assam to the Times Now, because people are even has gone to the extent of saying that there was no temple. I can prove, people can come, people can see the archaeological evidence which goes back to 4,000-5,000 years ago. So now a particular section of the people, they just want to defame everything what a BJP government does. We are not doing that as BJP. When we contested the election, that was the mandate given to us. We are not against anyone. People are in possession of 1,000 acres of land. They call matabbar. They call so-called jamindar. They have enough land if they want to distribute those land among the poor and needy. But they have captured their land. They push the poor and needy to one after one constituency. The quality of life is getting compromised. They are deprived of Anganwadi service. They are deprived of everything. So neither they are being benefited, neither the people of Assam is getting benefited. We are losing forest cover. We are losing our culture. We are losing our land. People of India must come and see it before the bubble blast in a different way, because people, when they are being cornered from all angles, because you have a better publicity mechanism, you can write more, you have access to various international journals. So if you just like push Assamese people the way you are pushing, then where people will go?
So there was a lobby. In fact, there were allegations that it is the work of the BJP or the RSS, and it was an eviction on the Muslims and an action on
No,
the Muslims.
Unfortunately, they are the land gravers, but it is not. They have not grabbed the land as a Muslim. There are a lot of indigenous Assamese Muslim. Not a single allegation against land graving. Today, even a Desi Muslim community has given me a petition that so-called migrant Muslim has captured their masjid also. You cannot see with the prism of Hindu and Muslim. Even the local Muslims are angry. Who has filed a FIR against the Dholpur incident? It is again a local Muslim who has filed a complaint. So today, every Muslim organization who has come to meet me, they have said that yes, you must evict the people if they are not local.
Since you have mentioned about the FIR, in the FIR it is clearly mentioned that PFI and CFI hand is suspected behind this. So government is also investigating.
No, we have lot of evidence against PFI. We have submitted our dossier. We want that PFI should be banned by the government of India, so that we can take drastic step against PFI. So ultimately for me this is an existential battle. Either I have to protect my culture, my language, my identity, or I have to simply go back and sit in my home.
Well, lastly, government had said that there will be a judicial inquiry. At what stage is it, and what is that?
We are just in finalizing the name of a distinguished judges who can give justice to everybody. I think in next 2 to 3 days we will be able to announce the commission.